Hey, Phil Ebner here, and I hope you're enjoying this class so much. I really quickly wanted to pop in here to tell you about a resource that you might not be aware of yet. If you head over to videoschoolonline.com, which you can see now on the screen, I have a lot of resources, articles, guides, things like that that might help you out to further enhance your knowledge for this course. Whether this is a photography course, video production course, really any sort of course, I have a list of resources, all kinds of blog articles. And if you click on this link up here, if you're on the blog page, you go to an archive of all of our photo and video production articles. So you have a list. It's easy to follow, easy to find things that you might be interested in. Even if you're not in a course that's related to photography or video production, we've got all kinds of guides and resources for graphic design, business, teaching online, web development, all kinds of stuff up here. You could also click on the resources to see my most recommended resources and all kinds of cool stuff here. So just head over to videoschoolonline.com, make sure you check it out, and yeah, I hope you're enjoying this class. Continue to enjoy the class. If you haven't done so already, please leave us a review. These really help us out to know what we can do to improve the course, what you're enjoying about the course, so that we can continue to make great content. Anyways, I hope you have a great day and continue learning and having fun with this class. Bye now.